Sanjeev, we're going to explain you the experiment we're making to find out what is the problem with the flow of the powder for the cosmetics. So, Mario is going to help me. What we're going to do is explain you why the cosmetic is not flowing through the new tooling that Luke just bring. So basically what we're doing, we have two cups. If you see the cups, they are totally white in the inside. So this is the new tooling that Luke bring with the bigger hole, but actually the problem is not the hole. So let me explain you what we do. This is the cosmetics that we get from you. The color and texture and quality is very good, but the way the texture is not the right one. So what I do, I put the tip in the container, and I just make it like the way that it's going to be on the cosmetic container. If you see, the powder is not flowing. Even if I push it, it do not flow. And if I push it on the back, it starts to flow, but slowly, until it gets stuck. Okay? So I'm going to pull it up. It's clean. Now I'm going to do it again. It pours some powder, but then it gets stuck. There is no more powder going off. Even if I push it, the powder is not going off. Now I'm going to take the same tip. This is a Bare Minerals powder. If you see the powder, it's thinner, it's more fine. And I'm going to put the tip on it, and now I'm going to do it in another cup. If you see, the powder is still flowing. There is a constant flow of powder. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do also is show you the texture, how to measure the texture. I'm going to pour back the powder that is inside this cup here. If you see, the cup is clean. Now I'm going to pour this one back to the container. If you see, it does not get back from the cup because it's too thick, and it's good because it have very good adherences. It stick to the skin, but the problem is that it gets stuck. Is the way that it gets stuck in the tip of the container. I'm going to put these cups like this, make it like this. And if you see, there is still a lot of cosmetic stick to the edge, to the bottom of the cup.